So, is vertical farming actually killing organic agriculture? Well, let's separate the hype from reality. I keep seeing headlines claiming that vertical farms are about to wipe out organic veggies. But let's be real, vertical farming isn't exactly steamrolling the competition. First off, vertical farms have their own challenges just staying afloat. The costs? Huge. Between energy, labor, and the tech itself, many vertical farm startups have crashed and burned. Remember Aero Farms? They went bankrupt in 2023. For most, it's tough to compete on price with old-school organic farms. And here's a twist: in places like the EU, most vertical farm produce can't even be labeled organic because it isn't grown in soil. That means vertical farms aren't really fighting organic farmers for the same customers. They're often stuck in a totally different aisle at your grocery store. But don't count vertical farming out just yet. Some niche growers, especially those focused on microgreens or specialty crops, are actually turning profits, sometimes with margins over 30%. It's all about finding the right market and optimizing every step, from cutting labor costs with automation to clever branding. Still, vertical farming isn't some organic killer. If anything, it's more of a sidekick than a rival. The tech is shining in places like university campuses, where hyper-local, year-round greens are feeding students, and in cities where space is tight but demand for fresh food is high. And yeah, vertical farms use less water, need zero pesticides, and can grow food year-round. But they're not perfect. High energy use is a real hurdle. Bottom line, vertical farming isn't out to destroy organic agriculture. They're both carving their own paths, and sometimes they even work together to build a more sustainable food future. So next time you see vertical farming versus organic, remember, it's not a battle, it's a remix.